Let's talk about pre-felts. A pre-felt is simply a partially felted piece of wool felt. In other words, it's just a stage in the wet felting process. So this means that a pre-felt can be further felted, and that's exactly why it's so interesting for us. That means that you can add them to your projects by using many different techniques. Now, you may have noticed that there are some people who use handmade pre-felts and others that use commercial pre-felts. And you may be wondering if there is any difference. So let's have a look at this together and make sure you stay until the end if you really want to understand the differences between them. Now let me show you the difference between an industrial or commercial pre-felt and handmade pre-felts. So this is an industrial pre-felt. As you can see, it's thin and super soft. Watch what happens if I pull on it. It actually falls apart. So it actually looks like a bat that has been needle felted slightly, right? And these are two handmade pre-felts. This again is a very thin one, and if I pull on the fiber, you can see that it lifts slightly, so you can see that it isn't completely felted yet, right? And I can still pull it apart. If I pull on it, it still opens. This is a pre-felt that I have made from merino tops. Okay, so I'm holding this up so that you can maybe see it better. So as you can see, I can still pull it apart and see the fibers. Now you wouldn't be able to do this if it was completely felted, right? This is a thicker one, and also here I can pull up the fiber, so it isn't completely felted, but it's slightly more felted than the previous one. It's also thicker, so it's much more difficult to pull apart. Yet, this is still a pre-felt. You can see the layers. So the layers haven't really mixed with each other completely. And even though it's difficult to pull apart like this, I can still do this. So as you can see, the layers can be separated from each other. So that means it isn't completely felted. Okay? So this gives you an idea of what a pre-felt is. An industrial one and two handmade ones. Industrial pre-felts are also called commercial pre-felts or needle punch pre-felts. They're industrially produced with short fiber wool using machines with lots of felting needles. Of course, they have advantages and disadvantages. Some of the advantages are that they're ready to use and very easy to work with. They also have an even thickness. The disadvantages are that they are more expensive than handmade pre-felts, of course. They come in a lot of colors, but you may need a color that is simply not available. You can find a couple of different thicknesses on the market, but not as much as handmade pre-felts, since you can choose how thick you want to make it. Handmade pre-felts are crafted with 2 or more layers using wool tops or wool bats, and exactly the same process you know for wet felting. The only difference is that you don't finish the felting process. You stop when the fiber is still loose, and for that reason you can still attach them to new fiber. Some of the advantages are that they are cheaper than commercial pre-felts. You can make them in any color you want. They can have any thickness you need. They can be more or less felted according to your needs. They can be made with any type of wool, so coarser or finer wool types, and also that you can add other fibers, patterns, or even fabric to them. The disadvantages, of course, is that they take time to prepare, and it may be difficult to make them even. I use both industrial and handmade pre-felts depending on what I want to make. How about you? Do you use pre-felts in your work? Do you prefer handmade or commercial pre-felts? And how do you use them? Let's discuss in the comments below. Next week we'll come back to this topic since there's still so much to talk about. See you then.